all good things, they at the one moment they're coming to the end, and I think you agree with me that it was 3 great days when we had a fantastic interaction, when we learned a lot, we could share our experience, our concerns, our thoughts about future research opportunities. And I do believe that we take it with us and we move it forward. We move it forward and we will see how we can go to the next step of research, education, a practical implementation of the knowledge we got from this session. And of course, this session would not be possible without our scientific chairs and distinguished faculty, and I would like all of us to give them the great round of applause. And the team, which is very much at the backstage, but did a fantastic job, that we feel comfortable, that everything works, that we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner time, that we have a entertainment in the evening where we can do a little bit wellness and not only good food, and that everything works over here, even if there are small hiccups were happening during the day. Thank you very much, guys. Without you, it would not be possible. And I think I will be very modest. We have to thank ourselves that we spent we came to Manila. Some of us, we took a very long flight to come here, to leave our families behind. And you were very persistent in coming at 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30 in the morning, and staying here the whole day. So I really thank all of you for this being with us. And what can I say? I only can say that the Nestle Nutrition Institute will really make everything to give you another possibility to look at these materials, to listen again presentations, to rethink what we have discussed during 3 days. And as you might know, that this workshop is was and is in the live stream, and I thank also around 4,000 people who was watching us in the 2 first days. About the 3rd day, I don't know yet. So during the first 2 days, we had 4,000 people coming from different parts of the world, and they were watching your presentations and your questions and replies on your presentations. Thank you very much to all of you in the virtual global world, and the presentations still will be available on the NNI website till the end of the week. So you can share that with your colleagues in the universities and institutions, and they can see videos on demand and really enjoy what we have enjoyed with you during 3 days. And after some time, and Teresa said it's her last task, but it's her last task for today, because after some time, the chairs and the faculty, they have to prepare manuscripts and publications, which is Nestle Nutrition Institute workshop book, which you could see outside, these famous blue books. But it will take a little bit time, a few months, till we will be able to make this book available for you, and you can again start to enjoy already a reading of these materials and rethinking about importance of nurturing healthy generation, of programming of early eating behavior, what our children need, and what should be intake and food intake or dietary intake of children, and what is about breakfast. Is breakfast important? Shall we skip breakfast? Probably not, even if evidence is not maybe 100% convincing, but definitely skipping breakfast in childhood, probably not the best solution. Maybe in some period of our life we still can think about skipping 1 or 2 breakfasts, but not when growth and development is extremely important. I thank all of you, and I will miss you. That's what only I can say. Thank you.
The convention has ended.